What's up, y'all? It's your boy Magnus.Magneto from Now Never Crew. And this video, we're going over suicide. It's a suicide. Let's go. So I'd suggest doing all these on like grass first or something, because it's gonna supply you with extra padding and it's gonna make it the whole process a little more easier and a lot less hurting. So firstly, we're gonna go over baby freeze suicide. Let's go. So obviously you're gonna wanna have a baby freeze first. And firstly, you just wanna start learning how to roll out of it. So if you baby freeze left, which is left arm and back like I am, then you're gonna turn your right leg over top. If you do the other side, you're just gonna reverse it. So going right leg comes down to the ground, left leg to the ground, right arm just gonna turn onto your shoulder, top of your head, onto your back, coffin position, RIP, good night. Now we're gonna try again. This time, try and do it a little bit quicker. So baby freeze, leg down, upper leg, through, arm twist, top of your head, flat. Now what you want to do is add a little bit of a pump to it. So you're going from here, you're just going to go pump out to here, then with this arm, go to the top of your head, and then with this arm, whip to your back like that. This whip right here is basically going to be universally used as what we're going to be doing in the whole tutorial. That whip is going to be really important for all the moves that we're going to do. So going here, baby, push out, top of your head, whip through, back. Zoom, pop, 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 pop. Now, once you can do that, what you want to do is learn the scissor kick. The scissor kick is bringing this top leg through your body like this. So it's going to kick down as your bottom leg, your left leg in this instance, is going to kick backwards. So you're going to be going like that. So make sure you make that half circle and hit and down. And this time go top of your head, hit, whip through to your back. Now, what you want to do is just take off that foot off the ground and get rid of the poop out of the shot.
Whoopity scoop whoop poop.
And then try again. So you're gonna go here, rather than that foot hitting the ground, go straight to your back. So you're gonna go whip in the air like that. When you're down, then all you do in that position is whip your arms. So you're gonna take your hands off the ground, whip them through. So again, if your right arm's in the front, it's gonna whip to your left shoulder. So you're here, going hit, and same time. So same time as your legs are swinging down, your arms are twisting down as your head's looking over your shoulder. And that's the move, baby. One more time, slow-mo for you.
I love everything.
So the last important thing is try to make sure you're landing on the proper part of your back, because the biggest thing with suicides is it's painful. So how to make it not painful is landing properly on your back. So actually, if you over rotate, you're gonna land better on your back. If you under rotate, you're gonna end up landing like here or on your face. It's just not gonna be a good time. So you wanna make sure you over rotate to where you're landing almost on the other side of your back. So if you're starting on your left arm, you almost wanna land on the right side of your back. So I'm landing like right here to here, which are the kind of squishy parts of your back. You're missing your spine, it's a great time. So this time, try one more time, but really watch where I land on my back. Going here, swing. Notice I'm landing on my squishy part of my shoulder and then flat down like this, okay? So now watch one more time, fast motion, hit. All right, second one, this one's really easy. All we're gonna do is do headstand, rotate to your back. So basically find yourself in like a figure 4 headstand. That's the easiest way to do it. Like this, boom. So your center headstand, falling hills. So you're here, knees together, it's so hard to balance. Then bring one leg in front, then cross it over top, figure 4 position. Okay, then all you're gonna do from here, put that foot down, left arm up if you're going the same way as me. So notice that my left leg's bent, which means that my left arm's gonna twist through. So whichever leg's bent, you're gonna rotate towards that direction. So from here, I'm gonna rotate away from that direction. So from here, rotate here, and then upper back, flat. So basically, that's all you're doing. Try again. You're going here, center, foot down, elbows down if you'd like. Twist like this. As you do that, just fall flat on your back. This one's super simple. It's literally just falling in a kind of choreographed manner. So now what you're gonna do, rather than putting your foot down, what you're gonna do now is twist your arms with that foot off the ground. So you're here, like this, and then you're gonna go twist with your hips that way as your arms rotate that way. One more time. Check it out. Here, and then as I rotate that way, my arms twist too. So this one is gonna hurt maybe a little bit more if you don't land the proper spot. But again, if you're gonna land anywhere, shoulder or upper center back, not on your spine. Same thing as before, try to over rotate. So don't just twist a little bit, twist as much as you can, because the more you twist, the more center you get on your back, and the less it's gonna hurt from under rotating. So one last time.
I love everything.
So I didn't go over this part yet, but obviously if you didn't already see, the leg that's crossed stays crossed when you land. So you wanna land solid like this. You're not landing here or whatever. This leg that started bent, ends bent, same exact position. And then your hands, if you want, try and practice a couple times going like this. Whip off the ground. See how I'm throwing grass everywhere? That's what shows you that I'm actually putting power into my fingers and gripping the ground and throwing away from it. If you throw away from the ground, that's gonna help you twist faster, and then you're gonna get to your back better, easier, faster, stronger. Let's go. Okay, number 3, just your stab, whip around thingy-majiggy. So for this one, basically all you're doing is stab and twisting off. So it's really similar to the other ones, and it's a lot easier, and it's something that you can use as like transition, especially if you're gonna do like back taps or something. If you understand this motion, it can be really helpful. So again, all you're gonna do is start in a stab like this, then just place your feet down, head down if you'd like, then shoulder, lie down, sleep for a moment, get up, try again. This time, just do a little bit quicker, going here, twist, back. So again, everything's gonna be happening mid-air. So you wanna do your arm rotation and your leg twist same time. So how do you twist your legs? All you gotta do is get your legs facing the sky. So this time you're gonna try here. If you can do that, all you gotta do is rather than landing here, you land here. You just let your bum sag and you twist your arms with it. So here, knees close in, you're gonna kick straight out. As you do that, you're hopping off your stab, so you're straightening your arms into the ground, pushing down. So in one motion, you're going up here. Then rotate your hips like that in the same motion. So going stab, twist. Once you can do that, all you gotta do, take away your hand. So you're going full. Again, landing where? Upper shoulder, okay? Never on your spine or on your lower back, that's gonna hurt. Shoulder or upper back. So now, rather than catching with your hand, get rid of rocks and then land on your upper shoulder right away. So you're going here, twist, catch. Obviously it doesn't look like much when you're just doing it simple like that, but again, use all these as ways to get new moves and new movements. Use them as a transition piece. So this time, add a little bit more whip into it. Again, twist your arms upwards as your hips twist upwards. 1, 2, 3, ha.
Heard my cries and watch me weep.
So last key point here, make sure you're not landing flat. You're actually landing with your hips slightly up. Because if you're gonna land flat, you can hit your tailbone and your sacrum, and that's no fun. So make sure you keep your hips slightly raised. Watch one more time as I go through it. Notice this stays up. So you wanna protect that, and again, all your weight goes upper here, so don't let it go low. Okay, this one is the one you guys probably all waited for, and that's your coin drop suicide. So make sure you have a coin drop first. If you don't have a coin drop, click here. I just made a tutorial on it, and you can watch it there. It's actually called my torpedo, but in the torpedo tutorial, the coin drop I teach there. So English, and yeah. So now, what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna do a normal coin drop, but you're actually gonna rotate one more time. And while you're rotating it, holy poop, Batman, one sec. Hold up, okay. So what you're gonna be doing is same thing how we went from our head to our back, like that, but open. So first what you wanna do is learn how to go head, shoulder, flat, like that. So you're going headstand, drop to your shoulder, upper back, flat, okay? So try again, and as star as you can, the wider you can be, the better it'll look. Here, going, shoulder, drop, just like that. Once that's comfortable, you're ready to move on. And we're gonna be moving on by doing the coin drop and then roll one more time. So make sure you have your coin drop to a push-up position. That's all you gotta do. If you can do coin drop down on your back and push up to here, then you can learn the next step. So first try that, going on a slant, up. Oh my God, almost landed in more poop. So what you're gonna do from there is then here, headstand, up, flat. So try all that again, going down, push-up position, headstand, flat. Try again, going up, flat, headstand, roll, and sun in my face. Great day, great day, great day. So now what you're gonna do, rather than landing on your push-up position, you're gonna be going straight through onto your back. Going coin drop, catch with your hands, twist straight through onto your back, just like we did, but you're gonna be going from here. So you wanna go coin drop kind of up to that position and just quickly whip to the back. Same whip we've been doing, same hip twist, everything's the same except the motion that we're starting with. So going coin drop, catch, onto your back. Let's try that one more time. Obviously, if you see me rolling away, that's because I'm literally on a hill. Yeah, I know I picked a good location. It's okay. So the biggest key point to this is make sure you're using your head as a ramp, okay? You have heard me talk about this a lot in the past, and our head is how we get higher. Yes, our legs. Buongiorno. So yes, we use our legs to pump up, obviously, but the biggest thing is our head. If we don't use our head, we're staying really low, and then that doesn't provide the rest of our body with adequate timing to get around. So make sure you're using head as a ramp. After you land on your back, head as a ramp here, going through, and then going flat.
Screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice.
So obviously that doesn't look as clean or nice as going straight through because we're using our hands, but I know it's scary to just use your head at first, so it's a good place to start. Then once you're comfortable with using your hands, all you gotta do is whip straight through, using that head as a ramp. So don't go dock into the ground, you're also gonna give yourself a concussion, and it's not gonna be a good time. What you wanna do is just literally keep your head low, and then push with your hips high, like this, to get around, okay? Your head just acts as a ramp, but don't slam it into the ground. So really make sure it just stays low with it. So now all you gotta do, kick hard with your pump, whip your arms, and again, we're over rotating. If you over rotate, you're gonna get to your back, no problem. If you under rotate, that's where problem's gonna come. So this time, let's over rotate and get a good one in for you. Ready? Un, deux, trois, zoom, ha. So if you notice, that time I almost landed too low, because the flatter you land, the more likelihood you have of winding yourself. So even though it looked like I landed really low there, I actually still hit up here first, and then I just did a boom boom on the ground. So that's totally fine. If you want to be cleaner than that, all you gotta do is land higher first and then come down. But if you want to be that nice pancake smack, you're gonna have to endure a little bit of soreness. So one more time.
I live inside my own world of make-believe.
Number 5, the last one we're there, guys. All you're gonna be doing is basically a front flip or a roll without no hands onto your upper back. So again, with this one, I'm not really gonna be showing you guys a full straight front flip from high, landing flat on your back. Everyone goes, ooh, that looked painful. I'm just gonna show you guys kind of the flow version of it, because you can do it both ways. You can do every suicide smooth, and you can do every suicide super flat and flat. So flat, here. A rolly one, you're gonna be landing with your hips higher, more elevated. So, because I'm not really someone that uses tons of suicides, but I still wanna show you guys what these look like, I'm gonna be showing you guys the flowy one of this, but if you wanna do it hard and flat, by all means, all you gotta do is send it a little bit more. I'm gonna like half send. If you want a full send, be my guest. So first, all you're gonna do, start somersault, baby. So you're gonna do a somersault from a headstand. So we're gonna go here, headstand, and then roll flat like that. Headstand, and then upper back center. So if you notice, I'm making sure my back is rounded as I'm coming down, like a somersault. Don't land flat yet, okay? You can land flatter later if you want, but for the sake of this one, we're gonna go more curved. Now all you gotta do is miss your back a little bit. So you're gonna go. Now all you gotta do is miss your head a little bit. So you're gonna go, head, flat. So just like a somersault, right? From standing. Then all you gotta do is start sending it with a little bit less hands. So then just go fingertips like this. Add a little bit of your arms now into it. So actually throw your arms downwards as your legs go upwards, like a front flip, basic, going here. Then all you have to do to get it to a full send, or Magnus's half send, is whip harder, use less of your hands, twist faster, and you'll get it. There's not really too much trick to this move. It's literally just tuck your chin in, Look backwards, legs go forwards as your arms are thrown downwards. And just make sure you're landing again, upper back. You don't want to land super flat. Even if you're going super flat, you still want to make sure you're landing upper back first. So here, send, here, send. So we're gonna send it, catch last second, then roll on this one. So you're gonna go send, catch, out. Then all you gotta do, take that away, go fully without your hands, and then you got it. But first, headstand without your hands. So you're gonna go headstand, roll. Now do the exact same thing, just miss your head. So rather than putting your head down, go through. So just jump last second here, jump like that. Then as you're jumping, you're whipping through onto your upper back. Again, the lower you're gonna get, obviously the easier it's gonna be. If I send it from up here, that's gonna be a lot more impressive, yes, but painful as well. So all I'm gonna be doing is getting low with it. Start low and then little whip through. That's all you do. All right, y'all, that's all we got from me. Ha! I got you. So as you can see, it's a little bit of a hill here. We're actually at Barnett Marine Park today. Ain't it pretty? Look how pretty it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, suicides are definitely not my forte, or suicide drops, whatever you want to call it. But I want to teach you guys it because, again, it's not something I feel like too many people talk about, and it's something that you can definitely use and abuse to your fullest potential. So again, thanks so much for watching. This is the Bboys from Now and Never crew. If you like this video, please comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Like the video, subscribe, and don't forget to smash the bell button for more videos. Thanks so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Before you go, if you're not completely sick of my face already, don't forget to get my free course, Breaking Made Simple. To access the course, all you have to do is go to the link down below. To get the free download, all you have to do is join the Facebook group, Breaking Made Simple, which is a hub for people to learn, grow, and just get better and become the best B-boys they possibly can, man.